Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online banking and a question that might surprise you. Can you deposit a money order at Ally Bank? Ally Bank is known for its competitive rates and user-friendly online banking platform. But with so many ways to manage your money these days, it's easy to wonder if the old-school money order still has a place. Let's face it, money orders feel like a relic from a bygone era. You walk into a store, hand over cash, get a weird-looking slip of paper, and then, what? What do you do with it? Well, for those who prefer a physical alternative to checks or don't have access to traditional banking services, money orders can be a convenient way to transfer funds. But can you use one at Ally Bank, the entirely online bank? The suspense builds. Actually, no. Ally Bank, like many online institutions, doesn't currently accept money order deposits. Their system is designed for the digital age, focusing on features like mobile check deposit and electronic transfers. Here's why this might make sense for Ally Bank. Security: money orders can be susceptible to fraud if lost or stolen. Electronically deposited checks leave a clear digital trail, enhancing security. Efficiency: processing physical money orders takes time and resources. Ally Bank's online system streamlines the deposit process. Convenience: let's be honest, who wants to wait in line or mail a deposit these days? Mobile banking allows you to deposit checks from the comfort of your couch. But wait, there's more. Just because Ally Bank doesn't accept money orders directly doesn't mean you're out of luck. Here are a couple of alternative approaches. Cash the money order at another bank. If you have a local bank account, you can simply cash the money order and then deposit those funds electronically to your Ally Bank account. There might be a small fee associated with cashing the money order, so check with your bank beforehand. Use a mobile check deposit app. Some third-party apps allow you to deposit checks using your smartphone camera. These apps may charge a processing fee, but they can be a convenient option if you don't have access to a traditional bank. So, the money order mystery is solved. While Ally Bank doesn't accept physical money orders, there are alternative ways to get that cash into your online account. Remember, always consider any associated fees before choosing a deposit method. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time.